Good morning, students. Today's topic is chapter triangles, exercise 7.4 from NCERT book. Okay, let's start. So, first question is, show that in a right angles triangle, the hypotenuse is the longest side. So it is given triangle is right angle, that means one angle is 90 degree. So we have to show the hypotenuse is the longest side. Now see the diagram ABC, where ABC be right angle at B. So angle B is 90 degree. This angle, this is 90. So angle B is 90 degree. So triangle is right angle, and we know sum of three angles is 180 degree, that is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Now angle B is 90 degree, so A plus 90 plus C equal to 180. So A plus C equal to 180 degree minus 90. A plus C equal to 180 minus 90. So A plus C equal to 90 degree. That means one angle is 90 degree, that is B. It is given. Let one angle is 90, that is angle B, and sum of other two is 90. Okay. Now, so angle B compared to angle B and angle C, angle B is 90 degree and sum of other two is 90. That means A plus C is 90. So separately angle A and C less than 90. That means because their sum is 90, so they are separately less than 90. So compared to angle B equal to 90, then we can say angle B is greater than angle C, and angle B also greater than angle A, because angle B is 90 degree and other two angles are less than 90. So angle B is greater than C and angle B is greater than A. And we know, since the greater angle has a longer side opposite to it, the greater angle is 90 degree, so opposite side is longer side out of three sides. So AC is the opposite sides of angle B. This is 90 degree, so opposite side is AC. So AC is longer side out of all three sides, AB, BC and AC. AC is the longer side. So AC is greater than AB and AC is greater than BC. So other two sides, AB and BC, compared to other two sides, AC is the longer side. So AC is greater than AB and AC also greater than BC. Therefore, angle B being the greatest angle has a longest opposite side AC, that is hypotenuse. So we know longest side is the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is the longest side. Hence proved. Next, question number 2. In figure, sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to points PQ respectively. Also, so AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to points P and Q respectively. Also, PBC is less than QCB, and show that AC is greater than AB. Side AC is greater than AB. So it is given angle PBC is less than QCB. So in this question it is given Sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to points P and Q. So AB and AC are extended to point P and Q. AB and AC extended to point P and Q. This is AB, this is AC. And PBC is less than QCB. PBC which angle? PBC. So this is PBC. PBC is less than QCB. QCB, this angle. Okay, that means QCB is greater than to PBC. And show that AC is greater than AB. Now, take angle, this is angle 1, 2 and this is 3, 4. We are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 angles. Now, to prove AC greater than AB, okay. So, it is given question QCB is greater than PBC. QCB is greater than PBC. That means QCB means angle 4. So angle 4 is greater than angle 2. This is given. Angle 4 is greater than angle 2. This is 4 is greater than angle 2. Now we know straight angle is, that is linear pair 180 degree, and 1 plus 2 is 180 degree. 1 plus 2 is 180 degree. So angle 1 equal to 180 minus 2, angle 2. Now similarly 3 plus 4 is 180 degree. 3 plus 4. So sum of these also 180 and sum of these two 180. These two angles are 180, 180. So 1 plus 2 is 180 and 3 plus 4 also 180 degree. Linear pair. So 1 plus 2 is 180, 1 equal to 180 minus 2, then 3 plus 4 is 180, then angle 3 equal to 180 minus 4, 180 minus 4, because angle 4 is greater than angle 2. Angle 4, it is given question, angle 4 is greater than angle 2. Greater than angle 2. Therefore, when we will subtract it from 180 degree, we will get a value which would be lesser than quantity obtained on deducting angle 2 from 180 degree. That means angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Angle 1 is greater than angle 3. Because of angle 4 is greater than angle 2, so 3 plus 4 is 180. The 4 is greater angle. So 180 minus greater angle and 180 minus less angle. So 180 minus less angle is greater. That means 1 is greater than angle 3. So angle 1 is greater than angle 3. So angle 1 is greater than angle 3. This is. So angle 1, opposite side of angle 1 is, opposite sides of angle 1. Opposite sides of angle 1, that is AC. So AC is greater than opposite sides of angle 3, that is AB. So AC is greater than AB. So AC is greater than, so AC is greater than AB. Side opposite to greater angle is longer. Side opposite to greater angle is longer. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is, in figure, angle B is less than angle A. Angle B less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. Okay. So B, that means A is greater than B and D is greater than C. Angle A is greater than angle B and angle D is greater than angle C. Show that AD less than BC. AD less than BC. This is our question and this is the figure. Now, in triangle AOB, AOB. AOB, it is given angle A is greater than angle B. So angle A, opposite sides of angle A is OB. Opposite sides of angle A is OB. And so in compared to A and B, so AB is longer side. So compared to AB and angle A is greater angle, so greater than AB angle. So opposite of angle A is OB and opposite of angle B is OA. So opposite of angle A is OB. So OB is greater than, that is opposite of angle B is OA. So OB is greater than OA. Now we can say OB is greater than OA. That is OB is greater than OA. This is side opposite to greater angle is longer. Because angle A is greater angle, the greater angle opposite sides is OB. Greater angle opposite sides is OB. So OB is greater than OA. Angle B opposite sides is OA. So side opposite to greater angle is longer. That means we get OB greater than OA. Okay. In COD triangle, angle D is greater than angle C. It is given question. This is given question. Angle D is greater than angle C. So opposite of angle D is side OC. Opposite of angle D, OC side, and opposite of angle C is OD. So OC is greater than OD. Now side opposite to greater angle is longer. This is equation 2. Now 1 plus 2 adding we get OB, this is 1 and this is 2. So 1 plus 2, OB plus OC, OB plus OC greater than OA plus OD, OA plus OD. Now OB plus OC means BC. OB plus OC means BC and OA plus OD means AD. So BC greater than AD, or you can say AD greater than BC. AD less than BC. Okay, because OB plus OC equal to BC and OA plus OD equal to AD. So BC greater than AD, that means AD less than BC. This is our question, hence proved. Next question is question number 4. This is a diagram. ABCD are respectively the smallest and longest side of a quadrilateral ABCD. Show that angle A greater than C and angle B greater than D. Okay. So AB is the smallest side and CD is so AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side. These two are given. Okay, to show that angle A greater than angle C and angle B greater than angle D. Now, construction, join AC and BD. So join AC and BD. We get this figure and take this angle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Taking the name of the angles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now angle 4 is less than angle 2. Okay. Because angle opposite to smaller side is smaller. Opposite to smaller side is smaller. So AB is the smaller side. AB is the smaller side. So opposite to smaller is smaller. So angle 4 is smaller than angle 2. Okay. It is given question, angle side AB is the smaller side. So opposite of smaller side is angle 4. So angle 4 is less than angle 2. 4 is less than angle 2. Angle opposite to smaller side is smaller. Again in ADC, DC is the longest side. DC is the longest side, it is given question. So longest side opposite angle DC, opposite is angle 3 is less than angle 1. So opposite of in ADC, opposite of DC is 1. Opposite of DC is 1, this angle. Now 1 compared to 1 and angle 3, 3 is less than angle 1. 3 is less than angle 1. And number 1 equation is angle 4 is less than angle 2. This is 2. Now adding 1 and 2, that is 4 plus 3 less than angle 1 plus 2. So 4 plus 3 less than angle 1 plus 2. 4 plus 3 less than angle 1 plus 2. And 4 plus 3 means angle C. And 1 plus 2 means angle A. Angle A. So angle C is less than angle A. Or we can say angle A is greater than angle C. Angle A is greater than angle C. So angle 4 plus 3 less than 1 plus 2, and 4 plus 3 means angle C, and 1 plus 2 means angle A. 4 plus 3 angle C, that is angle C, and 1 plus 2 is angle A. So 4 plus 3 we can write angle C, and less than 1 plus 2 equal to angle A. So angle C is greater than, less than angle A, or you can say angle A is greater than angle C. Okay. So practice this all sums. If any doubt, any question, then you can ask in live class. Thank you.